RGTI stock analysis for tomorrow and onward. So in this 1 minute video, I'm telling you whether Rigetti stock is really a buy or not for me. So watch till right around the end, especially now whilst it's sitting at 2.4% correction and down negatives. If I zoom out, bro, this is just so bullish to me. I'm not even trying to hide anything. I mean, my swing idea was here way before any of these previous like lower time frame predictions that I called out were here. Here's when it was made. It was sitting at $8. I was aiming for 16. This was 2 months back, and you can tell I kind of called out the future, because on that wave up I've gotten 2 longs, looking for the third one, and still sticking with this solid sound rule where if there is no confirmation, I'm not looking to buy whatsoever. So stay tuned. I do have a lot of previous receipts. Let's go here, HDI. And if you do want to learn how I'm making 5 to 10K per month trading, then yeah, sure, just click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I will continue to keep you updated. Goodbye and enjoy.